Want to look professional even when your camera is off? Let's add a photo to the Zoom profile so it shows up every time you're in a meeting. Zoom doesn't let you upload your profile picture directly through the app. You'll need to use the browser for this. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to zoom.us/profile. Sign in with your Zoom account if you're not already logged in. Step 2. Once you're in, you'll see your account details: name, email, and profile icon. Click on the little circle next to your name. If you never added a photo, it'll be a gray icon. Step 3. Click Change, then choose Upload to select a photo from your computer. Zoom works best with a square image, preferably a clear headshot. JPG and PNG formats work perfectly. Adjust the crop if needed and click Save. Now whenever your camera is off in a meeting, your image will appear instead of a blank screen. It's perfect for keeping things personal and professional. And that's it. Clean, simple, and now your face shows up even when you're off camera. Smash that like button if that helped, and hit the subscribe for more Zoom tips that keep you looking sharp online.